Meet Alex. Alex is the operations manager at a maintenance company specialising in renewable energy technology. He's using WorkfloPlus to make sure the engineers complete inspections correctly and to keep track of their progress on each job. He used a simple drag and drop editor to create a digital workflow that captures every step of the previously used paper form, so he could be sure that every check has not only been completed, but also carried out in the right order. He includes instructions to capture videos and photographs at crucial points in the inspection, so he knows he will have the evidence he needs to prove compliance, as well as proof that the work has been completed. On site, Mick makes sure he's wearing the right safety equipment. It includes a wearable device to leave his hands free to carry out the work he will be completing in the hazardous environment. Once he has reached the equipment he needs to inspect, Mick uses simple voice commands to complete the step-by-step options on the app. The job report is instantly sent to Alex as soon as the inspection has been completed, which gives him immediate access to all the data he needs to keep track of on-site operations and make sure he has the documents and evidence he needs for compliance audits. A simple integration with Power BI provides an in-depth, real-time view of the company's whole operation, providing all the information he needs to make decisions before any issues arise. So Alex can relax, safe in the knowledge that WorkfloPlus has ensured inspections have been carried out correctly, while also speeding up the invoicing process thanks to the immediate digital proof of work.